29th, Good Friday. Whoop whoop. Hey, 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 welcome back. This is Shan with the Nanigans. And thank you for tuning in. Today, I got off work at 7 because it was a 9-hour shift instead of a regular 8. Then, lucky me, I had to dye my friend's bundles and frontal. And her appointment at 11:30. I just wrapped up dyeing the frontal maybe 20 minutes ago. She coming here in an hour. And she wanted blow dry. Baby, help me, help you, help us. You know? Well, that's what you get for being a friend that knows how to do hair. Your feels. But it's done. I thought it was gonna be more brighter than what it was, but she likes it, so she like it. I love it. Job completed. Bonito. Finished. Come back and show y'all the color of the bundles. I hope she tipped me real good. Yeah.
With Straight Talk.
What's up, y'all? Excuse me. Hey, Bookie Butts. So, to the lash appointment we go. Welcome back to Shan with the Nanigans. Because I'm with the Nanigans. That's what you gotta know. I'm with all the BS. To the fucking lash appointment that was pushed back an hour. Not just the whole day. Like, you know, that's another story time for another day. However, I'm trying to debate if I want to go back home, which is literally 5 minutes from where I am now, or if I should just go and sit in the parking lot and hotbox. This is fucking up my shit. I was supposed to be outside already. I can't be outside like this. Not like this. Lashes is filled. I'm slightly upset because not only was my appointment pushed back multiple times, the girl she don't even have the fucking supplies. Now I have to come back yet another day just to finish a service. That I definitely learned my lesson. I'm not paying in full for shit into not nothing. Cause I just don't understand what the fuck is going on. Like, shit. Hello.
What up, friend? Where you at?
We found Raven. We're Raven at.
Now put me inside of you, do what you wanna do. Cause you got a need for me, and I got a need for you. Yeah. Oh my God. Why you so messed up? I don't know what you got to stop screaming. Be a good girl, not to right you with me. You know you like it like that. You don't have to fight that. It's a pillow fight. And I'll be saying separate ways. So on all these separate days. Yo, let's get go their separate ways.
Good morning. Good morning. Today is Saturday. What is it? March 30th. It is 2:24. I am on my way to the gym, but last night was a night. I ended my night pretty early because we got into the bar and we had to buy a bottle for the table or whatever, which was cool, But we had already smacked a fifth in the parking lot. So we had ended up getting champagne. And the champagne'd me. Plus the 420 sessions. I had to tap out expeditiously. You just have no idea. I didn't even... Listen, I tried to wait on my friends. Me and one of my homegirls walked out. And I told my friend, like, bitch, I'm about to go. She like, wait on me. I'm coming out. Bitch, our booth was right next to the door. It shouldn't take less than 5. And she took all day. So I left. Okay, so... we didn't make it to the gym. However, we've been productive in many different ways. So we went to Walmart, got everything we need for the my niece Easter basket. Where else did we go? We went to Target and got the essentials that I needed for the house and some other stuff. And now we're leaving Walmart. Kroger. We leaving Kroger because a noodle boil is on the membrane. I also bought some he living life on the raw side. Bought some dumplings from Target. So we gonna try them. What else did I do? What else? Got us some Starbucks. That's it. Okay, y'all, so we made it back home. I told y'all that I had ended up getting some dumplings when I went to Target. And hold on, let this go back. These are the dumplings that we're gonna try today. It's chicken dumplings, dark meat chicken, shredded cabbage, and sliced scallions with the signature sauce packet. This is the signature sauce packet. Right now, I just got them going with the grease. Getting that bottom nice and crisp before I add the water to it. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. When I opened that pack up, this smelled so good.
Yeah.
You smell it?
Oh, that's what that is?
So good. Here's one of the things that I picked up from Target. It's an Olipop ginger ale. Going to try it. So, cheers. Not gonna lie, it's there, but it gives that no sugar aftertaste. Okay, so we're gonna open some packages together because I ordered some stuff, but I don't remember exactly what I got. This is just a crop hoodie from Shein that my sister got me. Cute. Gray crappie.
Oh, damn.
Boom. I would like that the sleeves was a little longer.
That was my fault.
A little bit. 3 cases, phone cases. Plain wavy black. Little heart. It's too cute. Okay, so my camera done. So I'm gonna hurry up. TikTok bundles. A 20, 22, and a 24. I'm sure. Man, it's a lot of shit in here. I got from TikTok. Cute. Y'all just be ordering stuff. Oh, okay. Little rib 2-piece set in black. Something in a medium. Okay, this the chocolate. I already got the green 2-piece set from TikTok shop. Good morning. No. Good morning. Good morning.
expect everybody else to give you, but I don't know. It's too soon for them to notice. But I'm noticing, so self-care. And then, not gonna lie to you, I was supposed to go to the gym, and I didn't make it. I was tired. From what, I have no idea, but I came back home and took a nap. Woke up, so because I didn't go to the gym, figured might as well clean up their whole house. Like a good spring clean is April 1st, it's the first of the month. Let's, you know what I'm saying, let's start the year off right. Because I don't know about y'all, but my new year started today. So happy new year, everybody. 2023 was a long year. It went 3 months past due. But anyway, as you can see, my lashes is done. I didn't get my bottoms done. Too many complications with that. It is what it is. I'm not even tripping. So I'm just gonna do it myself. The only dilemma I have right now, right, is these braids. Because as you can see, I got quite a bit of new growth. I don't know, it kind of, like, you can still see my parts on the camera, so it don't look that bad. But to me, I feel like it's that bad. Like, yeah, so my dilemma is, I don't know if I want to do, let me close the door. I don't know if I want to do a frontal or a closure, braids, or quick weave, or sew in, frontal or middle part or side. So those are all my options. We're gonna start from the top. We got middle part, side part, frontal, closure, leave it brown, dye it, stay with braids, quick weave, or sew in. Yeah, and I am going on a trip in a couple weeks. I'm not going to talk about it too much in this vlog because it is kind of early for it. However, I do need to start shopping for it so that all my stuff can be mailed to me on time before I leave. So that is that. I'm so excited. I actually need to order my stuff no later than Wednesday. So I need to have a whole cart and everything by Wednesday. And I need to talk to my homegirl about this. Okay, so anywho, I am about to go in here, help clean up, and I'll give y'all an update later. And I have to go to work tonight, so I'm not gonna really do too much. I'm just a girl, and I gotta work tonight, so I don't want to use too much of my energy. It takes a lot to work where I work and be around the people that I be around on a nightly basis. No bullshit. If you know, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna just update y'all later on in the day, and then show y'all the afters. Even though y'all won't smell it, y'all be able to see like how clean it is and not the chef's kiss. So I'll give you an update of the clean Chrissy, but I don't know if I should have a montage of showing y'all us cleaning or if I should just come back and just clean. Montage.
Berry. But she don't love me, she's too scary. My opus front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she's too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get no baby. In the meantime, it's me time. Crib by the beach.
Good morning. It is April 2nd, 10:40 in the morning. I gotta return the car, this rental car. I gotta get a money order. I need to stop at Sally's Beauty Supply. Recently dyed my friend hair the other day, which I didn't show y'all the process, but I showed y'all the aftermath. And the dyes from Sally's work so much better than the method that I've been doing with the bleaching and the coloring afterwards. Like, it makes it so much easier. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so it is 1:30 and we are finally dressed and ready to head out. I got the girls on FaceTime talking shit. But just threw this on, little cargo pants, bodysuit top, a little jacket, and some Crocs. Nothing too fancy. We about to go and hit the errands that we gotta run. Y'all, we've been in the car for approximately, what, 12 minutes?
Don't start, man.
12 minutes, and
You so good.
he has not
We right here.
went to the location he should have went
It's
to.
right here.
To the one, okay. We could have
Look at-
had everything we needed
Look at all the new
right
stuff right
now
here.
to get our minds right.
I fuck my bread.
I promise they won't
Hey,
care.
Ray wanted to call him.
Let's just dip my hand.
Hey, hey.
You know I just can't fall for that. All my niggas still stopping. We going. My bankroll is gorgeous. Black and Japanese with a fatty man. Boy, got a DM from.
Made it to Fly Social, and I'm about to pick out the 420 goodies. See what they got. See what it's hitting on. We're back with the goodies. We didn't do nothing too strong because people got a tendency of smoking and falling asleep. So this is gonna be part of our 420 sessions the next couple of days, at least today and tomorrow.
What's going on, man? Nobody perfect.
Ain't nobody perfect, but
They say women.
okay.
When I asked you-
Enough said.
When I asked you,
You gonna cut the camera because you know I'm speaking that ill trill truth
we
shit.
ain't got no bleezy root shit. Oh, you don't like these, huh? Come on, we ain't get no strong. These ain't strong?
Yeah, I said we didn't get something super strong. That's what I said.
Not this time. This pea shit here,
These glasses be fighting, having its own battle with this little bitty ball right here. Okay, I don't know why, but it do. And what is this? Okay, I don't know what is this doing? This go here. Okay, make it make sense. That's why I need to take these braids down and get my hair did. That's the dilemma that I'm having right now. Like, should I pay for somebody to do my hair, or should I just do it because I've been doing my own hair?
You could do your own braids. I told you how it said. Because she don't want
Yeah, but I want it laid correctly.
to tight correctly. She do that. They like she got clients too. That beg her to do it. She don't like doing it for real.
That's how I am. I don't like doing hair for real. We need a leaf.
She got her shit laid.
What you trying to say? I don't be having my shit laid?
Babe, we know you had your shit laid.
Oh.
You're not the only one to lay shit though, babe. Okay? Your shit be laid, honey. We need some blunts. We gotta get our mind right.
I need to eat something. I'm starving. Now I have to go inside of the bank because people just can't do stuff right. Like the saying says, you do it faster and you do it better when you do it yourself. Now I'm going inside the bank to get this money for this money order. Got the Money for the rent. So now we can go to the next destination. Did you call Justin in too? Y'all. Special. Like not special like broken wrist biting your ear special. Like just special. Okay. Since we're going driving all the way back home, is you gonna stop and get something to drink? No.
I say yeah.
Okay, so we about to rock out with our socks out, head to the grocery store after damn near being halfway there to Mexican Town. But saying it out loud just makes it better.
All the way there, I'm thinking like, well, I'm gonna mess with the gorillas. They ain't been right.
They ain't been right. We gotta find somebody that know how to make them bitches for real. Well, I tell you that pizza that I had.
That sounded crazy.
Man, that bitch was crazy. With the lime squeeze, the lime squeeze made it taste so much better. You have, man, you wanna go to that place?
Pizza bread, that sounds crazy.
It was like a quesadilla. Man, let me see if she had a boomerang up in. Hold on, I gotta show them something important. So, plan, cook ourselves. It's raining and when we get inside Kroger.
And we all look good as fuck. She said she my eye, but I don't know her. Had to look her up, cause I know that I'm rich, but I can help it, bitch, I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches next so long, sometimes I forget stuff. I can put you in my business, you might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open, keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sleep, you know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think that's your scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I was big dog ho, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who say that you can't hold? That nigga munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass week, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. Oh yeah, bitches sweet, and I always get my lick boo. I thought for my bitches and I'm fighting over dick too.
Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no.
I'm over here dropping street knowledge to this motherfucker because he don't know how to drive. So he just texts me for a whole joke. Like, I be serious sometimes. You know what I'm saying? I be cracking my jokes. He don't even be laughing at my jokes, but my jokes be funny. I be laughing. You give me a little giggle. That last one was funny though.
Man, you funny though.
Home sweet home. About to make some hamburger and shrimp tacos. So I'm about to clean the shrimp, season and marinate it, take it over there, cook it up, and when I go over there, that's when I'm gonna come back with y'all, because I'm gonna have to cook the hamburger too. Because I'm hungry, ain't ate all day, and I gotta take a nap going into this weak ass midnight shift. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, our shrimp is shrimping. Shrimp is done. Get that off the Still waiting on this hamburger. My utensils, fire. Got them from TikTok shop. If you follow me on TikTok, I'll link it. I'm new to this, so I don't know how to do all that shit. Just give me a minute. Gotta build me a storefront. I'll let this cook, and yeah.
Them bitches should've stayed down. They could've been up to bad. All they doing is talking down. Cause they can't get up with mine. My ex looking on my old friend. Both they ass some silver clowns. Thinking that she got one up on me. She got my hand me down. Thought he wasn't gonna have to stand on shit like he was handicapped. Made that nigga stand on it. Now it says he stand me now. High as fuck, I'm lit up. I don't smoke no sushi.
I called it a Clearport. Me this time. They didn't appreciate Blue Wall Records. I can't wait to It's time for me to go home. I'm buzzed after work tonight. And my nigga keep calling. Not even gonna front. Not even gonna lie. It's only 7 o'clock.
From me, 'cause I'm perfect. I'm perfect.
My nigga say that I'm perfect. Bitch, I'm perfect.
Live from the 6. Pussy, she the finest. Rich nigga, went to trapping college. Money problems I can solve. Take a pic when I get dressed. When I go out, I like to throw on sink.
It's to disconnect because they can comprehend the way I act. Then I ain't even giving it out the way I can give it. Call got it for the.
Good afternoon. It is the next day. When I tell you I made some horrible alcoholic beverage decisions. Horrible. It is 2:48. It's Thursday. I haven't loaded up my YouTube video for the week. Still have to edit that. Denim has an appointment in an hour. I'm on a strict diet, making pan-seared salmon and vegetable medley. And probably a little side salad. And I'm just about to chill for the rest of the day because I'm in full recovery mode. This has been the worst outing ever. I literally threw up. I started throwing up at 12:45. I came home. Babe, what time I get home? Early. Like 9.
No.
10.
No, 10.
I got here around, I don't remember what time I got here, but I started throwing up at 12:45. Every hour on the hour. Projectile too. Like it was like coming out, okay? I know one thing. I'm taking my own goddamn liquor at these bars from here on out. Putting my shit in my purse. Somehow, some way, I'm gonna have it. Because ain't no way in hell I should be that fucked up off 3 drinks. But, and I was eating. Doesn't make sense. But, that's all that's gonna happen today. I did want to take y'all with me to Denim. I might end up still doing that. But I gotta run upstairs and charge the camera. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I could take y'all to Denim appointment in an hour. And we got a few other errands to run while we still out. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all. Welcome back. We're outside. He's so excited. He has no idea he's about to get 2 shots in his booty. But I'm about to let him just run his little life. I'm so excited. While we're here, I'm gonna get him a bigger harness because this one is a little tight, and some treats, and sign his ass up for training. Come on. We made it to Petco. We a couple minutes late from his appointment. Denim. I gotta get my baby something. So I'm gonna find him a snack and get him a different harness. And we gonna head out. So I'll check in with y'all in a minute. Broker. I have made it to the
Last bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Rocks on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, they don't add to the picture. Drop a couple racks, girl, ass get thick. Tricking on Nicky, I'm looking at your neck. If this money not here, you feel like a stick. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud, you fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, bitch, fake ass clothes. I'm the real bitch, never take snake ass hoes. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up. Bitch, you might need me, I'm playing on my face. I'm tired of hoes, I'm trying to trick. Brand new chain, city girls going back. Baby, I'm finally no random period. You bitches busy, just give me a lot of
we spent just a tad.
Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up.
Good morning, good morning. It is Friday. Happy Friday. It is also opening day here in the city of Detroit. So we're gonna try to get up and get outside today. Denim has a grooming appointment today at 3. So all festivities will have to partake after that. Cause you know, I'm a mother first. And then a bad bitch that's with all the shenanigans immediately after. So, yeah, I just got off work. I just made a breakfast special, which is I like boiled eggs and a tuna pack. And I have a bottled water. We about to have our 420 session. And then I'm going to take the first couple hours of the day to edit, shower, lay down for a bit, get up, find me... while Denim's at the groomer, I'm going to run across the street to DSW to see if they got these New Balances that I want. And then bring his ass back home and we outside. So that is all that I have as an update to, well, at this moment. So I'm gonna check back in later on in the day. Hey, it is 11:44 in the morning, and definitely about to roll up again and then take them to the groomer. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey, Bookie Buds. It is like 2:40 something. Denim has a grooming appointment at 3. I'm trying to be on time and not CP time. So we are leaving out now. Walk or whatever. But after this, I'm heading downtown, baby, because it is opening day, like I said earlier. Come on. Okay, hey y'all. So I just dropped Denim off at the groomer, and I don't know, but I might have to find Denim another groomer. I let him stay simply because he needs a bath and a haircut. And why not let the professionals do it? I mean, it could be just because this is his first time being groomed by someone other than myself. So he could be a little nervous. Like maybe after the second visit, I might keep him here. I don't know. But the vibes that I was getting, my baby was not fucking with it for real. So we see how he is when we pick him up, and it's gonna be 3 to 4 hours. So update, ain't going out tonight. Cause by the time I get Denim, ain't no telling. I'll probably be sleepy. I'll probably be tired. Anyway. So yeah, checking in. If I do go out, then I'm gonna take y'all along with me. So, but it's not looking likely. I'll say that. Good morning. It is Saturday. My phone is dead. Can't tell you the date or the time around this motherfucker. Denim got his haircut. I fell asleep, y'all. I gotta start sleeping after I come home from work at 6 o'clock in the morning, because I literally was up all day and didn't go to sleep until 6 o'clock. And 6 o'clock, it was a wrap. So, that part. Nephew went in there and acted a fool. He didn't let them people cut his face, cut his paws. Basically just got his body. That's it, that's all. Here go y'all badass nephew. He got his body cut and his paws, his back paws. Look at his face. Hairier than a bitch. Where your ponytail go? In the fucking back. Today, I honestly don't know what the fuck is on the flow, what is the plan is today. Nothing. I'm just going with the flow. I got a package from Muse brand. I'm mad I just cut the bag. Oh, well, this ain't one of them zip ups anyway. We put this on the right pocket. Here's the top. Oh, look at the zipper. Nice cute zipper detail. Here's today's look. Oh, I'm wearing some Cortezes. Good evening. Been outside basically doing nothing. Just riding. Had some chili cheese fries. They wasn't too great. I had to go back for them to actually put chili on my fries.
Because when she catch a little attitude, she don't care about nothing. Don't listen to enough or think about nothing.
And nothing much to report today. Keep you updated with the latest, like, breaking news. So hi guys, welcome back. We're at Honeycomb Hideout. And Sadie's is being Sadie's. Bitch, back the fuck up.
YouTube though, you need OnlyFans for this, girl. You need OnlyFans. Woo, those YouTubers got to pay for this.
The night is just
What?
But this game.
He talking about I do that because the guy on here till 12, 1 o'clock anyway.
Let my bitch.
Yup.
We can see fast late anyway.
Alright, well, you be just
Smoking hookah, drinking drinks.
Love you, bro. We know you'll leave and go back. We done watched you do it.
Yo, this is Sadie's.
Yes, the one and only.
The most irritating of one of them all.
Oh, look at that.
This bitch. She don't even know I'm gonna cut that out.
Everything downstairs, like that's the
Hey, Say. Hey, Shan. Hey, friend.
I gotta just go to the ATM when we leave here.
Hey, Britt.
You dropping your car back off at home?
She ready to be in camera today.
You dropping your car back off at home?
Hey, you having company tonight?
No.
I just got me a shot.
You about to go home and get some
Nelly.
dick from your nigga, bro. Drink that drink. Everybody think about that. Your coochie gonna be like,
Yo, you. Hey,
I gotta have an intervention about that.
oh, friend, I look the fuck good.
Okay, so the plan tonight is for us to go to True Strip Club. Now, listen, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take y'all in there with me, but I will have my phone and like try to incorporate some type of like little videos because we about to turn up in this bitch. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Now,
Welcome back, and I'm shining on them bitches.
she swished up and down.
Where did she go?
Where did she go? Nelly, where did she go?
Motherfucking streets, cause I'm
Cause you outside. You outside.
shining on them hoes. Well, I'm driving. That's why I ain't drink. Okay.
This bitch.
Living days but it feel like months. Gone for a year, don't even like months. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you know what you want.
Good morning. It is Sunday, April 7th at 9:43 in the morning. Yesterday was a time had. We was standing on them people couches, smoking in them people clubs, drinking up all their liquors. It's Sunday, doing the Sunday reset, cleaning up, getting ready for the week. That is the end of this vlog. I make breakfast. I'm not about to, listen, we tried that shit last week. Y'all, I'm not even about to try this. We about to end this vlog here because
I highly doubt that we make it. Bye.